Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sam's Info TV. Many people dream of becoming independently wealthy throughout a lifetime. Wise investors stash away their bonuses while the less prudent invest their money in risky endeavors and get rich quick scams. Then there are those lucky few who make it look easy by turning pocket change into millions of dollars in no time at all. Here are the whirlwind stories of 6 regular people who have realized the worth of their business, idea, or property virtually overnight. Before starting the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel. Number 1, Pierre Le Guenic. For Pierre Le Guenic, a retired French electrician, it was his employer that landed him an instant mega millionaire. According to media reports, while Le Guenic was employed by Pablo Picasso in the early 1970s, the artist gave him 271 previously unknown pieces throughout his employment. He and his wife were convicted in a court of stealing the artwork and given 2-year suspended jail sentences in 2015. Number 2, Sandy Stein. At 52, airline stewardess Sandy Stein invented accessorized key clasps to help women avoid losing their keys in their purse. She called the product Finder's Key Purse. Within 4 months of launching the product, Stein's company reached $1 million in sales, and at the 8-month mark, over 1 million units were sold. As of 2018, the company has sold 11 million Finder's Key purses and is worth approximately $25 million. Number 3, Rick Norsigian. Almost 20 years ago, Rick Norsigian, a local painter in Fresno, California, found some photographic prints at a garage sale for roughly $50. The flea market proved to be the bargain of a lifetime, and, after rounds of investigations into the findings by experts, historians confirmed that the collection of glass negatives belonged to the legendary nature photographer Ansel Adams. The prints are worth around $200 million. Number 4, Oscar Stoller. Rancher Oscar Stoller was skeptical about striking a fortune when drilling started on his western North Dakota farm. But in 2008, the discovery of crude oil on his land made the modest farmer, who still prefers his old truck and farm cap, a millionaire. Stoller and other farmers in North Dakota have earned millions by owning land rich with oil. Number 5, Jonathan Demel. Though his longtime dream was to be a professional hockey player, Montreal resident Jonathan Demel made his destiny playing poker. On November 8, 2010, Demel won $9 million in prize money for winning the World Series of Poker in Las Vegas. On top of winning poker's biggest tournament, he is the first Canadian to grab the title. As of April 2020, the 32-year-old poker expert is rumored to have a net worth of $32 million. Number 6, Andrew Mason. When he was a 29-year-old music major at Northwestern University, Andrew Mason became the brains behind Groupon, GRPN. Playing off the words coupon and group, the site offers daily discounts on services and products. In 2010, revenue hit an estimated $350 million, but since then the company has been on the decline. The former CEO of Groupon, Mason, lost millions when he took his company public. Still, as of 2017, his net worth hovers around $200 million, according to Forbes magazine. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. See you next time.